Hello IELTS warriors. Welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for the upcoming IELTS academic test, you need to be ready for map questions in Writing Task 1. Maps are very common in the exam, and many students struggle with them. But don't worry, today I'll show you 3 predicted map tasks, along with Band 8 model answers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to describe changes, comparisons, and future developments. So let's get started. Now, our first prediction is a map showing a university campus in 2001 compared to its planned expansion for 2025. I'll show you a Band 8 model answer that explains key features, comparisons, and trends. Question is: the diagrams compare a university campus layout in 2001 with its planned development for 2025. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Band 8 model answer. The diagrams illustrate significant changes between a university campus in 2001 and its proposed expansion by 2025. In 2001, the campus had a simple layout featuring a main building, marketing department, science block, sports field, and parking area. The main building was centrally located with other facilities arranged around it. By 2025, the campus will undergo major developments. The original main building remains, but new facilities will be added: a technology and innovation hub, art and media center, and eco-garden. The sports field will be replaced by a larger sports complex with athletic grounds. Additionally, student residences and working spaces will be constructed where parking areas once existed. Most notably, the 2025 plan shows a more organized layout with dedicated zones for academics, technology hub, art center, recreation, sports complex, eco-garden, and student living, residences. The parking area is significantly reduced to accommodate these new developments. In summary, the 2025 expansion prioritizes modern facilities and student amenities while making more efficient use of space compared to the simpler 2001 layout. In 2001, the layout was very simple: a main building in the center, surrounded by a marketing department, science block, sports field, and parking area. By 2025, the design becomes much more modern and structured. The main building remains, but new facilities will be added: a technology and innovation hub, an art and media center, and even an eco-garden. The old sports field will be replaced by a larger sports complex. Parking will shrink, making space for student residences and working areas. Key observation: the 2025 campus is no longer just academic. It focuses on technology, recreation, and student living, showing a transformation from a simple layout to a multifunctional hub. Now let's look at our second map prediction: a fitness center in 2012 compared to its planned renovation for 202. I'll show you a Band 8 model answer that explains key features, comparisons, and trends. Question is: the diagrams show the layout of a fitness center in 2012 and its planned renovation for 2027. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Band 8 model answer. The diagrams illustrate the changes between a fitness center's layout in 2012 and its proposed redesign for 2027. In 2012, the facility included a weight room, cardio area, yoga studio, juice bar, reception, and locker rooms. The layout was simple, with separate male and female changing rooms and an outdoor pool. By 2027, significant modifications will be made. The juice bar will be removed, and new amenities such as a sauna, steam room, and consultation room will be added. The reception area will remain, but the entrance will be reconfigured for better access. The outdoor pool will still be available, but the locker rooms may be updated to a more modern design. Overall, the 2027 renovation focuses on enhancing wellness services by introducing spa-like features, sauna, steam room, and professional consultation spaces, while removing less essential areas like the juice bar. The layout will become more functional, prioritizing health and relaxation over basic amenities. In 2012, the fitness center had a weight room, cardio area, yoga studio, juice bar, reception, locker rooms, and an outdoor pool. Pretty basic. But by 2027, big upgrades are planned. The juice bar will be removed, making space for a sauna, steam room, and consultation room. The reception area stays, but the entrance will be restructured for better flow. The pool remains, and the locker rooms will likely be updated with a modern design. Key observation: the renovation focuses on wellness and luxury, adding spa-like features and consultation spaces. It's a shift from a basic fitness center to a comprehensive health and relaxation hub. Our third map prediction shows a community housing layout, comparing the current design with its redevelopment plan for 2007. I'll show you a Band 8 model answer that explains key features, comparisons, and trends. Question is: the diagrams compare a community's current housing layout with its proposed redevelopment plan for 2007. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Band 8 model answer, 150 words. The diagrams contrast a community's existing housing distribution with its planned redesign for 2007, showing a shift from low-density to high-density living. Currently, the area is dominated by detached single-family homes spread across spacious plots, with only a few townhouse clusters and one central shopping center. This low-density arrangement provides ample open space between properties. The 2007 redevelopment proposes dramatic changes to maximize land use. Most single-family homes will be replaced by mid-rise apartment blocks and tightly packed townhouse units, significantly increasing housing capacity. The shopping center remains intact but will be surrounded by new townhouse developments. The new layout organizes housing types into distinct zones, apartment complexes in some areas and townhouse neighborhoods in others, creating a more structured community plan. These modifications will transform the area from a sparse suburban neighborhood into a more urbanized residential community. While the shopping center retains its central role, the overall character changes fundamentally through increased density and more efficient land use. The plan clearly prioritizes accommodating population growth over maintaining the original spacious layout. Currently, the area is dominated by single-family homes spread out on large plots, with one central shopping center. The character is suburban, low density, with lots of open space. But in the 2007 plan, everything changes. Detached houses will be replaced with apartment blocks and closely packed townhouses. The shopping center remains, but it will be surrounded by new housing units. The whole layout becomes more zoned and organized, with clear areas for apartments and townhouses. Key observation: this redevelopment shifts the community from a quiet, spacious suburb to a densely populated, urban-style neighborhood, clearly prioritizing population growth and land efficiency. Friends, here's something important. Maps always test your ability to describe change over time. Don't panic when you see them. Start with an introduction, what the map shows and which years are compared. Then give an overview, mention the biggest changes or overall trend. Finally, describe the changes in detail, moving logically across the map, left to right, or north to south. And remember, IELTS is not just about English, it's about clarity and structure. You don't need fancy words. You need to show the examiner that you can explain changes logically and clearly. Believe in yourself. Even if you struggled before, every day you practice brings you closer to Band 7 or Band 8. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep moving forward. So, these were 3 IELTS Academic Writing Task 1 map predictions. university campus expansion, fitness center renovation, community housing redevelopment. Practice them carefully, learn the Band 8 structures, and apply them in your exam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your IELTS study group. And comment your exam date below. I'll personally wish you good luck. Remember, IELTS warriors, your future is waiting, and your Band 8 is within reach.